Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And check out the beautiful Gulf of Mexico behind us. We're doing a buyer's agent video for you and all about it, but first I want to show you this balcony view. All right, now let's find out all about where we're at.
So we are at Calypso Towers. We are on the East Tower, Unit 405, and you can walk to Pier Park.
Yes, and this is currently listed with Full Sail Realty with Sydney and Lisa Felix. So they gave us permission to come in here and do a buyer's agent informal tour of this listing of theirs. We already showed you the balcony. This is the living room and breakfast area, your kitchen. And an owner's closet straight ahead there. You want to pop that open, Alice, and give us a little peek inside?
Oh, this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So you have some storage here for your beach stuff. You have a half bathroom here, close to the door.
Okay. Yep.
And on the opposite side, you have your laundry room, your water heater and AC are located.
Okay. Nice utility closet with a little bit more area for storage if you needed it. This water heater looks like it's got a date of August 9th, 2016. And that one says 4/20/18. I'm not sure if that's when it was serviced or when it was replaced, but everything looks shiny on it. But we always recommend you get a home inspection on these things. And before we get to the primary bedroom and suite, let's check out where we are in relation to the building. This is your front door, and here are the elevators. You are right outside the elevators, and this area here is the hallway. Oh, you're fine. But as you can see, there's glass right here, so if you had some sideways rain, it would stay nice and dry. So back into your unit here. And then to the bedroom.
You notice that you have LVP in the main and the bedroom floor, so no carpet.
Nice. So the same flooring that's in here is in the living room as well. Kitchen and hallway have the tile, along with the utility room and the half bath at the front of the unit. Let's go into the primary bathroom here. Check out this big soaker tub. And you have a shower, double vanity here, walk-in closet, and then a private water closet right here. You want to take us out on the balcony for one last...
Yeah, and guys, this is a king-size bed. So it's pretty spacious here in this bedroom.
So this balcony connects from the bedroom to the living room as well. Back into the living room. Okay, you guys, thanks for tuning in. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, we would love to represent you. Give us a call. Alice's contact information will be below in the description of this video. And if you have property you need to buy or sell anywhere in Northwest Florida, we'd love to help you with that too. So, catch
Thanks
you
so
on the
much.
next one.
Bye-bye.
This is the part where we say click the thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, and say something nice in the comments or not. We'll get back to you soon with an honest reply. All right. See you on the
Thanks
next
so
one.
much.